Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. Jamaica Public Service Company JPS customers should expect a slight increase in their February bills. The Office of Utilities Regulations OUR has approved a 2.6% increase for residential customers. Commercial customers will see increases between 0.6 and 1.6%. In the meantime, the OUR has approved a proposal from the JPS for a time of use rate for residential customers. However, the utilities regulator has said the time of use category should also be extended to small commercial customers. Under a time of use rate, customers pay different prices per kilowatt hour of electricity that they use, depending on when they use it. Despite the economic fallout in the fast food industry, Restaurants of Jamaica (ROJ) has continued to invest and expand across the island. ROJ is the operator of the KFC and Pizza Hut franchises in Jamaica. The latest expansion saw a new fast food outlet in Harborview, St. Andrew. ROJ's managing director Mark Myers admitted that although the company has managed to stay afloat during the COVID-19 pandemic, it is constantly reviewing its operational costs.
We managed to keep everybody employed for the entire period thus far, but you know, the truth is this is not going to be a short-term situation, and as such we need to be managing the business to be as efficient as it can be under these circumstances so that we can continue to survive for the benefit of not only our customers but all the team members that depend on it.
Over the past 2 years, ROJ has invested about $1.2 billion on 7 new restaurants. Now, Mr. Myers says the company intends to invest even more by early next year.
4 more units on the drawing boards. I can't tell you the exact locations yet because they're not all finalized. But you know, if everything goes to plan, as difficult as it is, we should be looking at least 4 more units between 2021 into early 2022.
To currency trading now, it ended today with the US dollar selling for $149.61. The Canadian dollar is selling for $117.51. The pound sterling sells for $205.52, while the euro is going for $183.19. Now, after almost 5 decades of being part of the financial sector, founder of Barita Investments, Rita Humphreys-Lewin, has retired and resigned. Mrs. Humphreys-Lewin retirement took effect on January 27. She founded Barita in 1977 and played a crucial role in the company's transition to a large full-service investment bank. To the stock market now, the JC Index gained 2,558 points today, and the Junior Market Index is up 38 points. Among the winners were Dolphin Cove, Salada Foods, Epley 8.25%, Access Financial Services, and Sagicor Group. Now on the losing side were Palace Amusement, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, Iron Rock Insurance, CAC 2000 9.5%, and Panjam Investments. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.